is 4 words, but 3 words are not enough to express. I was very impressed.
Today, I'm so honored to invite my friend Maurice from Romania come to visit us. He just visited our Hubei facility production line and came back to Shenzhen headquarters. Today, I will invite you to share what's your thoughts and experience in our factory.
Thank you very much for the invitation. I was really happy to come in China for the first time and to visit your factory. I was really impressed. First of all, the size of the factory. I knew that the factory is really big, but in reality it's really impressive. The size of the building, of the business that you grew here. Most important is the capability of production that you have and all the machinery that you have. Everything is very modern and very precise from zero to the final product. So I think that after I visited your company, I am very that our collaboration will be a fruitful one for everybody.
Oh, thank you very much for your good feedback. Can you use 3 keywords and to express yourself about our factory?
Impressive, like I said.
Yep. Modern
and high quality. It's 4 words, but 3 words are not enough to express. I was very impressed. I have to be honest with you.
Thank you. And what's your criteria to cooperate with the Chinese suppliers?
Well, the most important thing is the quality of the product. Now the market has grew a lot internationally, and people are not looking just for a nice design. They are looking also for quality. And I'm in this business for like 12 years, and I was always looking for quality product. And now I think I am at the moment where I can say yes, I can start a new brand producing very good carbon parts at a reasonable price with a very good partner. So this is why I'm here at your factory.
Thank you very much. And what's your expectations for you to our factory? So in future, close relationship with you.
Yes, absolutely. As any business, we will start with a few projects, but I think that by working together and doing this very good, we can build a multi-million-dollar business together. So I'm expecting a long cooperation.
Thank you for your sharing. Thank you very much.
No problem.
JCSPORTLINE is a special supply chain and empowering your carbon project success. We help the brands and work with the designer and the mechanical guys with your team and to empower your project and to set up the differentiation, freedom, and more innovation projects for you.
Thank you too for the invitation again, and let's hope that this is the start of a very good and fruitful relationship.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you very much.